Take this, so it kind of keep me up. Keep me up. The colon cleanse. Yeah, I feel kind of puffy from eating the Arab food again. Anytime I eat right, it affect me, especially if I left some warm up the next day and eat it, I don't feel good. It puff up my stomach, make me look like me 9 months. Yeah, because I know it's not the right food. I'm gonna eat the kale and apple. This is what happened to me. I suffer. The only time I feel good is when I eat the kale and apple also. Yeah, so I was supposed to come and eat so much food and I fall asleep. I ain't gonna lie, you know what I mean? I end up eating 4 mangoes after that plate of food, so that shit got me fucked up, my niggas. Too much, man. I gotta try to stop eating so much. I be sorry sometimes when I finish eating. You know, I keep eating, even when I'm not on here with you guys, right? I kept eating, right? And I eat so much, sometimes I'm uncomfortable. I hate myself sometimes. I was like, bitch, why are you so greedy? You know, because even when I'm not on camera, I think I do it even more than when I'm on camera, you know what I mean? And it's like, you want to break out of the habit, you know? Of just stop, just eat and stop. Don't continue going. Do not. But sometimes the food's sweet, so till you keep going and, you know, you feel like you have a little bit more space. I gotta stop that shit, my nigga. I'm gonna die. The food gonna die, you gonna kill you. I swear. You know, and I said, you know what? I feel good eating the kale and apples and stuff. I'm gonna do it for a couple of days. And mango, no food. What? But a little later on, touch my mind up and change, my belly start ball like murder. Like when I'm baby in my belly, I kick and I say, you know, I'm gonna have food. But I have to slow down. I have to cut it down because I really doesn't like to feel like, you know, I'm giving birth every single day, you know, in my life. Yeah, every single day I feel like I'm giving birth. Sometimes I said, you know, it's not right because I don't have nice clothes. And for them to look good, you know, the damn food I get out of the way, you know what I mean? And it's not even like saying me bigger or nothing, you know? Because, you know, I try to wash it out. I try to take the colon cleanse. And make sure I keep taking it out. So the more I take out, the more I put in is like a machine. You got to slow down, man. But anyway, I decided I have something I want to address. And when I address this, some people is not going to like me no more. I might lose a couple of people who are following me and stuff, but quite frankly, I don't give a rat's ass. What I'm about to address today is some real shit. And why I'm going to address it? Because it needs to freaking stop. I'm annoyed of it. I'm tired of it. Wait till some more people come on. I'm going to address this shit I want you to share. If you never shared a video before, make sure you share the one. When I address it, if you never shared me before, make sure you share the one that everybody share it. Because I'm sick and tired of this. Yep. Light it up. Speak the truth, girl. Light it up. You gotta speak the truth, girl. Light it up. You gotta speak the truth, girl. Speak the truth like the tutti fruit. Light it up. Speak the truth, girl. Rob, why you do up so late, Robbie? Man, you're supposed to be that catty inside that belly and swell up our tribe right now. We had to pay this hours, my youth. You're supposed to swell up catty tribe now, Robert. We had to pay you, man. You're supposed to swell up catty tribe right now, my nigga. Catty tribe supposed to swell. Or it don't swell already. We don't see no laugh come from you, Robert. It don't swell already, catty. Catty tribe swell already. She asleep. The tribe swell and she asleep. Alright, good. Pick up on herself. Not love her. Don't come with that love, you know. Go with the eat. If you really, if you fear, get the fuck off this shit. Light it up before you talk, girl. Talk the truth, do the food. Light up this mother scan, man. You know it's late, some people going to bed and shit, but I'm waiting to see how much people here for we to start address this shit. Still waiting. Yeah, I know people sleeping a lot, but there's a lot of people still awake. Light it up before you speak the truth, girl. Yeah, my niggas. I put it out now. Put it out, girl. I'm so glad I don't smoke like I used to no more. I used to smoke hard. I don't smoke hard like that no more, thank God. Thank you, Jesus. Amen. Smoke a little but not a lot like before, thank God. Because I want to win this shit. Hello. Sleep. Get up. We just done bathing us, you know where me just done bathe. You can't tell me just done bathe. I have my makeup and lash and stuff. I'm going to take them off from my beard and stuff. Hi, good night. How are you? How are you? Put on like a Robbins then now. Put on the Robbins. How are you? Yeah, me used to be like that too, but me I get down now little by little, that's good. I'm not like, you know, I want to stop completely. Yeah, good night. All right, I want to address something. Good night, everyone. Good night, Jamaica, London, and everywhere. And, you know, sometimes I joke around, but sometimes I get very, very serious when I'm addressing certain things. And at this moment, it's not a joking moment. This is a serious, serious thing. Now, we want to talk about our own people, our own black people, our own blood, our own ancestors, our own neighbors and friends. Some of them not easy. Some of them not easy. And what I'm saying to say this is, I'm talking about the braiding hair, the braiding of the hair. Now, my sister, a lot of African sister, you all come here and you all start braiding hair, which is a good thing, you know. You all braiding all kind of style and different way. But some of you is a damn thief. Criminals, some of y'all. And I don't say all, but most of the ones I meet are criminals. Yes, ma'am. Most of the ones I meet is one lady we meet that used to be good. Her name was Josie. That was an African braiding lady. Most of the rest we meet after that was peer thief, peer criminal. And it's bad that when people come from Jamaica, Guyana, and all over, and in America, and American citizens who born here, go into an African braiding shop to get their hair braided, and y'all charge so much money. And y'all have a way of putting small little braids in the front if you want it small, and some big braids in the back. Some of you put some big braids up in the top right here, some big braids. Some of y'all braid hair so big, it fall out by the next day, just to collect your money. When somebody walk in and asks you to do a job, especially at 125th Street. Let me make that clear. I'm talking about 125th Street in Manhattan. When you go Harlem, it's gone to them, 125th Street. You have all kind of ladies outside that will come to you and start giving you cards to bring you through the braiding shop to get your hair done. Which I've went to Harlem years ago when I was probably about like 19 or something to get my hair braiding, and I got a good job. I never had no complaint, you know. It was a good job with a micro braid and stuff. But the last time I went to Harlem, I think it was January, February. One time I went to Harlem, either January, February, or March, or sometime around there, but I went to Harlem. And I wanted, my hair is short, so I wanted to get some braids, you know, going back, very small braids with small piece of hair to catch my natural hair and braid it. I didn't want it big because I know that doing that hairstyle big like that, it wouldn't last. I basically want something that braid that look like before you put a wig on over it or something. Small, just to catch my natural hair, small, skinny hair go back. And believe me, when I tell the lady I went to 125th Street, and there's a couple more ladies was getting off the train too that was getting their hair done. I know we always going to the same place. But then she handed lady the card and she started showing the direction. I said, okay, that's the way. I said, that's the shop. And she said, yes. And she gave me a card. Pity do I know by the time she gave me the card, I was belongs to her. I wasn't belongs to anyone else but her by the time she handed the card. She owns you. Now, she's going to take you to the braiding shop, where it's a big braiding shop. Well, a whole bunch of ladies inside. You're going to go in here to get your ear braided. The number one fault I have is like when she went to the shop and she take me and the other lady to the shop, she actually owns me. I couldn't go to another person that was free to get my ear braided or anything. I belongs to her. She bring me in there, she sit me down, she sit the other lady down. She didn't even wash her hands. Me remind you, she didn't even wash her hands. She took her dirty hands and just take the lady hair, start put out the hair, lady, grab the pack of hair braids, and she just started, braid the lady hair, which is a box braid. After she started braiding lady hair, I'm saying to her, like, who's going to do my hair? And she goes, I'm going to do it. No. She goes, another lady going to do it. She's on her way. She's coming now. That time she knows that nobody now come. Nobody's coming. She have you sitting there again for the next 15, 20 minutes. You're still sitting there 20 minutes. I go 30 minutes. You're still sitting there like, is the lady coming or not? Because I'm going to have to decide to leave, or get somebody else to do my hair. She's like, no, that's my sister. I know how she is. My sister is coming, I know how she is, She's coming now. She's on the bus now, coming. Okay, no worry. She's coming, okay? Okay. And she's standing, What she did now, she take a comb. And she does my ear and part my ear and comb it to the comb. With the same dirty hand from the lady hand to my head. Part it and do like this. And she grab a box of braid. And she pull out one braid and she braid a braid. With the same dirty hands. Don't even wash yet. She did that so nobody else will touch my hair. Because I want to go to like somebody's braid my hair. Or something or leave. She continue to tell me somebody's coming. When she know nobody's coming. That's the method they're going to play on you. When you're sitting there going 40 minutes and stuff now. It's getting out of hand. Like no. This is almost an hour. I don't know why she's coming now. I don't know why she's not. And she just keep telling you that. When you look, she keep braiding the other lady ear because she don't want to lose a sale. She don't want to lose $1. So she just want to keep you there waiting. She has nobody coming. Okay? While she's sitting there now and you decide, like, listen, I'm going to go. That's the time she called another lady in the same shop to come over. And I asked the lady if she could braid it for so and so. She and the lady split the money. Now, remind you, when you go and ask her, how much is the hairstyle that you want? She will tell you, give me something like 80. You want like this, you say like that, 80. But since you're gonna, I said, how much? That's just for what you're going back in the thing like this. I said, cut it crossway, and then have the braids, like 1 line, 2 line, and 3 line. That means we hold even more, Because then skinny and tight for hold me hair natural, and me hair natural, me grow it natural. Anyway, and it was more than this what I have now. Anyway, she said, oh, if I do like that and do like that, I can do nice and small for you. And I can put more hair and still make it old and make it look good, You understand me? No problem. Give me 170. Right? It's okay, no problem. When the woman go now, she get the next woman to braid her ear. She tell the woman something. The woman grab some big piece of braid and do so. And I fight the ear. When you look, you can't even watch you pull up back again. And when the woman, when you're done with your ear, and you take a look in the mirror, you realize you got these big freaking braids, like 5, 6, 7 braid. For $180, that even holding down to your ear, it'll pull off already. You have an option is you're gonna cut it off, don't pay them, or they're gonna cut it off because you don't want to pay them and say you're a thief. So I have no option. When I was like, this shit should just cut out because you never stay right. You see, I'm at the store up in England, me show now, 125th Street. They are so freaking thief up in there. They will take your ear and the hairstyle they tell them you want, they're not gonna give it to you. Very weird, you will get it. And then they're gonna charge you for it. They're gonna charge you for expensive hairstyle and give you something very cheap. Very big, some big old braid and some different in front of what you ask for. more dry, so I said, no, damn, dry. Yeah, man. I must say, come to the phone, but I'm telling you, you can't pepper me. You can't pepper me. Because I'm going to tell you the truth. We're concerned. This is wrong. Right? I want to take poor people money, and then you take them friggin' money and give them any kind of bitch up hairstyle. And when people don't want to pay, no cut it off and post it on YouTube saying that people are thieves. I've seen it the other day in the same shop. Same shop. When the woman ever like that, you say, the woman have money, and then what you gonna do? And the same damn shop, me so I do it. Over and over in the same damn shop. People must stop going to 125th up in there, man. Very rare 1 and 2 of the ladies up in there can braid gonna good ladies them. But if you don't know them like that, don't go up in there. As a stranger, I go ask for hairstyle and sit down, my dear. They take them dirty in the bathroom, dirty. If so much a woman in there where the bathroom is unscorned and unspeakable. The bathroom is filthy. 125th Street, the bathroom is filthy up in that braiding shop. Your bathroom is so filthy, ma'am. Get me all in one to the nasty fun. And I love all my African people, don't get me wrong. But this is the stuff that y'all do. Especially with y'all, what I don't like about y'all. When y'all in 125th Street and the lady gonna turn around and say to me, you know, you're right. I do like this, you know, I mean, but I will fix better for you next time, you know, I'm sorry. She walk me outside the road when me I go all the way to the subway. She walk go telling me she have a whole bunch of kids, you know, and she have to take care of them, not easy. So not because you have a whole bunch of kids and it's not easy, you gonna like bitch up me ear and charge me a whole of money. So the next woman can make money and you can make money. And at the same time you're gonna tell me because you have a lot of kids and next time you do better. That's crazy. That's crazy, my bro. So when you go up in there, you expect to go up in there, and if you don't get the job done the way you want it, either you're gonna pay and walk away, or police are gonna involve them, or cut off your ear and put it on YouTube and post you all over the place and say you're a criminal. When you're not a criminal, you're not just don't like the job and to pay that much money for that's not what you asked for. That's the thing. And they're gonna post your picture and tell you that you're a criminal. I don't care who is vexed, it's true. I have my natural experience. I have other experience also where I go to other braiding shop from Africa and then they braid your ear and they don't braid my ear properly. But when other Africans go to your braiding shop to get their ear braided, their ear have to braid done good like when they do it in Africa. Because all the Africans, when they go to the African braiding shop to get their ear braided, they come out to the best braid and the best style. Because they are where it invent from where it come from. Them can't give them a foolishness for their money. Because they know what time it is. They come from there. But when you're not from there, they want to give you anything and make you walk out. If you ask a certain size braid and put them to the front and put bigger one to the back, you're having a problem with your ear. Them a fall out, the braid a fall out and stuff. You just got it done 2 days. They might tell us, say, water must be wet here, all kind of foolishness. Sometimes they have young girls in the shop braiding that don't braid good, that don't have a good experience. Then come here to them, want to work, then put them at the shop. And all them sitting there. You know, that's just the truth. It's just the fact. I love you guys. But you see on 125th Street, you all got to stop posting people. You see that picture of that little girl that hurt my feelings, that little girl that got her hair done? And the mother must come pick up the little girl and must never have enough money. The woman take the scissors and cut off the little girl ear. And that's a child. That's like abusing a child. Why would you take a scissors because the mother don't have enough money for the little girl ears? A little girl. You could have braided her ear for free if you have a business place and make God bless you. And if she didn't have enough money, I mean, I know it's not right, but I mean, accept the little bit of the woman and instead of cut off the little girl ears. A little child doing that too. So I don't care who want vex when me talk, you know. Because when me talk, and me not give a fuck who vex. Because at the end of the day, somebody have to talk about the situation. I have been there and been through it. And it's not right. It's intelligent and cut off the little girl, a little girl like that ear. You could have biscuit, you could have be your daughter, your granddaughter. You could have braid the little girl ear free. Even if she never have the money, mother come and say she never have the money. You never have to cut off the little girl ear. That's something the little girl will never forget for the rest of her life. Or when she turn big woman and old, she will never forget how this woman cut off the braid and post it on Facebook. She have a nerve to cut off the little girl ear and then post the little girl on Facebook. Come on, y'all. Me have a right for talk. Who want vex? Me no business, because see me? If me have to talk for the right, it have to be stopped. Wait till me buy all them braid wig and sit them. Mr. Like go get me hair braided. And I afford, me can't afford to get me hair braided. Get me around. Right now, I like putting some nice like a blonde braid to match with me ear and say, me can't do it. Me hold my ear out, end up earline and end up tear out. And me end up spend a whole bunch of money. And by next week, it gone down the drain. A couple of days, it start hang off. That's it. Money done. So might as well me buy a braiding wig. A braiding wig is $60, $70. Nice lace front braiding wig. If you want more human ear in it, you can take it and buy a little bit of Indian ear. And sit down and take a little small hole. Make a little small hole from underneath the wig from the inside and put the baby ear, then put more baby ear them through the hole of ear line them. Buy yourself for the Indian ear where you buy. Put them through, and thread them down and glue them. Put them through, and glue it on the inside of the wig. And you get more baby ear if you want more baby ear. With the Indian ear. Into the braiding wig. So people don't have time anymore. I sit down for hours. And you know how much hours that little girl if it's long to get her ear braided? Come on. Y'all is wrong for that though. I ain't lying. Whether you want Bex or not, y'all wrong for that. I have some experience with it on a nice day at all. I tell you, if the landlord the place when they rent me, he was a criminal. I talk about my pastor. Talk about my pastor. So me couldn't go no better, I don't know where to live. And I done that wait on the place already. When me look the place when me get for rent, go try open the window them. Ras. When me open the window right, go right into a wall. So this after the window open me right back to the wall behind the window. No window to outside. There's no window to outside. There's a window inside, but it open up back just to the same wall. Behind the wall, there's no place to open no ear outside. And if I charge a lot of money for that and water come in and flood me out to know the place never good and all them things. I don't eat nobody. I love all my African sisters. But one thing I can tell you guys, if you're braiding ear and you're doing the ear and like a girl come in your shop like that, and that even happen, don't cut off her braids. That could be a daughter. Don't disrespect the girl and cut off the ear. And some of y'all charge so much if you do a little girl ear, just a braid up like a ear, natural ear without no braid in it. Just a natural ear. On charge all $60, $50, $40, just for natural ear, you know. Like you call my daughter here and I take like a 10, 15 minutes, braid up. I don't charge so much for it. And cut off the little girl ear and post her picture up on Facebook. That's damn rude. I should sue you for that. If you explode a little girl like that, you should. Because that is very wrong and disrespectful for you to do that to a child. To a child. And 125th Street and them damn out and thieves, someone up in there. And if a lot of people go up in and get this experience, will know what we're talking about. The best thing you can get up in there is box braid, if you have any ear. The best thing you can get is box braid, trust me. You have to be very careful when you go up in there. You don't even know when them Anna when I'm rubbing your head and your scalp. You understand me? You don't know when I'm rubbing your freaking scalp. 125, 25th Street. When you see them post a picture from up in there with the girl, I tell a girl just a couple days ago. I tell the girl, so what you gonna do? And think if you don't want to take the hair then, you don't cut it then or something, you don't want me to cut it then. So you know what, you don't know all them something there. And I go next to the girl, a big criminal. I'm gonna have to comment upon this, so I know her teeth because I've been there. I know what I want to do. I want to change people hairstyle and say no charge. I want to go to good hairstyle and this one cost that. I want to do the bitch up like a cheap suit that cost $130. I fought and them ate some bread. I shoot them through the door. I already forgot disgrace. I put the camera upon them. I already put them on YouTube. If they don't pay you the way you want. People for no saying everybody is upon there and people say my teeth. Them not criminal. People are just displeased with the job. Sometime. So every time you see them video they post up, so people don't want people to get them ear, then I say it go. You don't get the job that you need because the same thing could have happened to me. And if nobody pay them the day, they would have taken the picture and post up and say, me a criminal. And no for one would say, well, she wrong. And the for one say, well, she's a criminal, she didn't want to pay the woman. Because I know how people stay. You understand? Me know how people stay. So that's why I decided and said to myself, you know what? Let me just pay them and walk out. What me notice from then since, a lot of people, a whole bunch of people, video coming out, you know, with them saying that the people are criminal and they don't want to pay to get them here. And I was like, no. Tonight I was watching that. I was lying in my bed watching that with a little girl, and I was mad as shit. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna talk about this. Yeah, I'm gonna talk about it. It's wrong, man. It's very, very wrong. Yeah, man. Mm-hmm. God bless you too, Eva. Alicia Brown, God bless you too. Hey, Robert, I can't disrespect me, can't talk about you. JJ now go use bathroom after me. Me not stink. Shut the heck up. I don't know what you talk about. Me not stink up no toilet. That's disrespectful. Me not stink up no toilet. Damn road. You saw no friend, I want to do people more time, dog. Me not stink up no toilet. Can me eat good. Me just wash up my stomach. Yeah, make it stay up on the wall. You need to see it. Yeah. I can't see enough hypocrites along fire, but me not mind. It's just a fingertip and they will be all gone. And them know it. So if you keep quiet. I wanna like it and can't come out and cuss in a car, know me just poop you're gone. Hello. Mm-hmm. Good night, my love. Ashley, yeah, good night, goodie. Yeah, Annette, yeah, good morning. Are UK morning or England? Yeah, morning too. Yeah, it's a GM on. Hey, big up yourself, sweetie. Sweetie Jenny, big up yourself, man. Sam, watching here, babe. How you doing, Sam? I like how Roberta treat me, man. Yeah, big up yourself, yeah. Yeah, love. Yeah? Yeah, when Black Shop. Yeah, organizing Black Shop, exactly. You see, that's why black people don't support other black people. We need to support each other, but some of them don't make you want to support them because of their behavior. Because even if a woman don't make you pay for the little girl ear done or whatever, it's a little girl, you don't cut off her hair. Then you know you have to support the neighborhood, support the people who are paying, spending money with them. So enough time people come to me bleaching cream and shit and them shot, me can, you know, even though me losing a lot sometimes, me still get them. You know, me still get them because I guess I'm running a business and them supporting me. I don't come back and buy again. So the little girl money was short for the ear, should I just load the little girl, make the girl just go on with that. You see me? I said next time when you come, maybe the next time the man come, she pay her full price and still get the extras. I just saw business go more time, but you can't be so direct and so evil. That means, you know, people don't need to deal with you. The public don't need to deal with you. Money over love. No. Love, not cycle. Yeah, man. Eh? You drink enough water and you take wash out. Yeah. That's out of the nest. You can't do that. You have to you're doing a business, and when you're doing a business, that's all business is sometimes, you know. Things happen. You're dealing with the public. You can't just go ahead and cut off the little girl ear and post her up on Facebook and deal with the Ashby as a child. All our friends are going to see the picture of them on Facebook. Everybody will know her. Some people are going to have it in school or jail, the little girl and all, and something they like, so she's a criminal. Or people who want to bully her. just because of some woman greediness, gluttonousness, and just evilness. You call it plain evil. I'm not saying right for the money to be short, but over money, you're going to do it to a child, that means you're plain evil. I'm sorry. You're plain evil. So, what the African rap if you contact to no? What the rap contact to no? So, no understand, eh? Eh, sister? You understand what I'm saying, oh? You can't run business like that, oh? Eh? There's no way your business can survive. You can take flight and come from Africa to the America. You take flight from the Africa to the America to work into bread in Euro, and then when you come here now, you're gonna act this way. You can't act this way. You give people what they want for the money, oh. Eh? You're gonna cut the small baby hair off because the mother don't have the money to give to you. The amount you want to. She have money, but not the amount you want. And that make you take the scissors and cut off the girl. Cut it in the wrong direction, all kind of bad. So it looks really bad, oh. That is so wrong. That is so rude. Somebody should slap you for that, oh. Slap you across your damn face, oh. Somebody should slap you. Slap you, wah, pa. Slap you for that. Damn rude. That's why you see I put my hair like this, oh. So I can address you, oh. I want this to go across Africa. To tell the people anytime they come to the America to bread for the hair. You treat the people respect, oh. And give them the good African bread, oh. Stop giving them the fake bread. Like fake Chinese food, rat fried rice. Stop giving people like this one. Giving them good bread when they ask for good bread. When the African sister, they come inside, oh, to get the bread the other friend here, the bread the other here, looking nice, oh. If you go inside and tell you want the same exact, you don't get the same exact, oh. They give you the bootleg. America, they call it bootleg. You know what they call the bootleg? Bootleg means fake, oh. Bootleg. That's the American way, You don't know for this, You have to learn this, oh. Sister, you can't live like this, You all want, when people talk, you want to pepper for them. You want to put juju for them. You want to pepper for them because they shouldn't say anything. They shouldn't be talking. You're not nice, oh. Not nice, oh. I love my African people, oh, but the last place I was living from the African man, and you have one sister, she live inside, she from Africa too. She was living in the back, oh. Her name was Joy. She's Joy. And you know, she had a back door. When she invited me to her apartment to show me how the landlord was so goddamn crooked, he's from Nigeria, oh, she got her clothes hanging in the boiler room for the closet. When I look at the piping inside the boiler room, where the piping, all her clothes is hanging and hanging on the piping. We're only eat in the boiler room. I never see anything like this. So after you open the boiler room, you was into her bedroom where she's sleeping. So her bedroom is almost in the boiler room, right? She cook outside sometimes. She open the back door, she show me where she cooking. She cooking with a pot. She cooking with tree black, with wood. I said, sister, this is America. I live inside. I said, why you cook outside like this? Where do you even find wood? She said, from the park. I picking wood from the park. Right? She was cooking right in the back of the step of the house. Right here in Brooklyn, oh. Right here in Brooklyn, right outside like Jamaica. Cooking, yeah. I said, sister, that was something else. One time I come find her in my house, she was cooking in my stove. She was dancing and cooking. I see my son inside sleeping. I said, son, what's going on here? Why this woman in my house? She said, oh, you know, my son is sleepy. Oh, she wanted to use the stove. He wasn't near it. Now that's why my paper go missing, oh. My citizenship, my social go. I know she took it, oh. She steal that shit, oh. This woman had a big foot, oh, but she could dance. But she had big foot, you know, big feet, bigger than mine, oh. She could do the Nigerian dance, you know. Yeah. And I used to show her how I can dance, you know. I want to be friendly with her because I don't want she make Pepe for me. So sometimes she do the dance, you know. She do the dance and Pepe. Don't want Pepe for me. You know the African dance now, eh? You know the African dance? Yeah. Yeah, the African dance. Yeah, you know the African dance, oh, sister, you know this one, you know this one, oh, you know this one, you know the one I'm talking about, yeah. sister. You know this one, oh. See. So, the sister could dance, oh. So she in my house and she dance, you know. The toe, she have very big toe. The big toe is very bigger than every other toe. I saw sister big toe, like 3 big toe in 1 big toe. Sister big toe, very big toe. Sometimes you see the lady, they have the big toe, very big toe. You're like, why your big toe is like 3 of one of my big toe. One of her big toe. Yeah, like 3 big toe in 1 now. She have very big toe now. And the heel coming out of the back foot. Strong lady. Another day, oh, I don't know, I was standing there talking to my friend on the corner. When I'm talking to my friend on the corner now, I saw this old lady now. The old lady was very old now. Spanish lady looking old now. I saw this old lady walking my son, oh. Hey. I walk over there, I almost have a heart attack. I said, why are you walking in this old lady? He said, oh no, that's my uncle, this by your house. So I stand there talking to my friend, so I went downstairs, I went to my house. When I went into my house, my brother, he comes sometime there, you know. He wasn't there at the time. I guess he must have stepped out or whatever and whatever. Sister, I called my son. My son said he went in his room. So I left and I went to my son's room. I said, son, you have to be very careful with these people because, you know, you don't know how people is. Very careful. You just come to America. Be very careful. Oh. Because some of these women here, I was telling my son, talking to my son. And by the time I'm talking to my son and turn around, I saw the woman behind the door. Oh. I said, what this big old woman behind the door? That's me and the woman here I make for but me. But me I said, what's your hide behind the door? This big old woman I do have to be behind my young son. I go out for my son. I behind my door. He said, but me, man. Yes, I'm my uncle, I'm my brother friend. But come on, we had to hide behind my son's door. Hide and I hide. I talk to my friend. Son, you down there. Hide up behind door. Hide up and squeeze up behind door. But me I want him and I talk to him now. When me look, my woman here, I make four me see through the creases. Yo, I tell you that, yo, God really good at me, you know. But I'm going to bust her out, you know, man. But me just say, you know what? Let me just ease myself. Yeah, sister. So that is why. You say you write goodie, but Robert, no more you write goodie. Fuck her. Can't get trouble, see, man. Can't get trouble, some of you. Yo. A family, you know, so it's not my family, man. So, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yo. I say, go, man. So keep it real, my nigga. I want laugh. I want laugh. Well, if there's a pretty coming out package, I will surely buy it. Anyway, yes, my dear child. Long time I don't rub my rub and clean up my skin. A long time I don't rub, you know. Rub it up. Rub it up before the morning. Get all light before the break of the dawning. Rub it up before the morning. Gotta look pretty as the light come out. Rub it up before the morning. Look all bright before the break of the dawning. Rub it up before the morning. Know the bleach is gonna make you right. Rub it up before the morning. There you get the light, the break of the dawning. Rub it up before the morning. Know this bleach is gonna get it right. Oh, bad man feel like a Robbins. And my celebrity white this. And me I use it. Vex. Vex coming out, but nobody will compare. Well, when they compare can cost me, I really have a problem, you know. Because then the photo then safe and warm bed for can cost me. You know, the late night here. Come on. Come here talk about the African birds. Come on, man. I must do better than that. Another thing I want to talk about is all these men. And, you know, mostly men I see doing it. I haven't seen that much women doing it, but I see a lot of men doing it lately. lately I've seen a lot of these men are going out that have money. Imagine you're rich, right? And I don't want to cream go in my eye. I'm going to cream my eyeball, that's not good. Because of greediness. They put it on to get light as it go, you know. See, it's working as it go. 1 minute. They're so rich when they have so much money, right? Check it out. You're so rich and you have that much money, right? And you have that much money. You have money till you don't know what to do with it. And you never think about land. Let me travel to Africa. Let me travel to different places of the world. Let me just go and help somebody or seek somebody who need the help and just buy a house, give them, you know, buy a vehicle, give them, you know, give them money to buy food or whatever. Just things that people need, you know. Instead of that, these rich guys are going out. That's why I say Satan really not dog. But God is more powerful. We see the devil try everything he can. Him do everything he can. These rich guys going out and they buying dolls. Now, the dolls that they buying is not the blow-up doll like what them used to use nowadays. Then, back in the days. Them are buying different kind of doll now. The one that feel like your natural skin. And the one that we can talk. Right? Some are buy the doll that we can talk. So them go them design them when they can talk, or they want them to look, and then sleeping with them as them girlfriend. Some of these men, they also have the living there with them like a family. So they have different mood where they can put on and then touch a button and then be like family person. They can give the kids them joke and all them something. It's a robot. So they make it as a robot, you know, but they feel like a real person. The skin feel like a real person and then talk like a real person. The man them spend their money and buying them and sleeping with them. Imagine that. Marrying to them. What the world has come to, Lord. You tell me now what the world come to. Man go sit down and take machine and through the sitting can make it can talk. And when they touch it, it can say something to you. And the dollar tell the man like, you know, I want you. And you know, this and that and I like, you know, when woman act sexy and sit there, they can do everything. And them buy them and live there with their wife and children in the house. With this thing in the house as a family. And the wife says she don't mind because it spice up our relationship. And I'm saying to myself, these people are so freaking sick. How are you going to have time when you're supposed to be praising God or pray to God? Or acknowledge, you know, God himself. You have time to take money. Figure by them sitting there bringing your house and make your kids them grow up. And what kind of, you see the world is really coming in to an end, you know, people. Imagine you have a robot walking around look like an next person, attack and act like the next person in your house. Around your damn children them. And you as a man get up and take your spirit and lay down with that and sleep with that and change your spirit. It's a demonic thing. It's just like when demon would have possessed something like, you know, and it's like a dead body. Yeah, sleep with Kai, it's a dead thing. Like one person said, the one thing I could tell you about the doll, it feels so cold. It feel like a dead body because it's so cold. You want to talk about, yeah, you know, we got to find a way we could put something in it to make it eat up. So she can eat up. Imagine that. It's really sickening though, if you see that. It's really sickening. You know, they're making these kind of machine and these kind of technology. And when they're making this robot, the robot, them are outing them a million times faster than human being. Smarter. And all them something there. You keep building them stuff, tell them get you and start building, and they start building each other. You understand me? It's not a joke, yo. And they get so smart, they can start building each other. So when you build them can build another. Where you can't stop, where you can't break down, where you can't break down. You see me? Human being are really gone to the dogs, man. They can't satisfy with God give them and stuff. You know? Like I was watching this other thing, and I was like, everything is after makeup, the ears ring and all them sit there is after the devil. The devil told them. It's the devil told me to take off the lashes and wash my face. Friend, she come over there, she have this two big thing on her eye like this. She see her jealousy and bad mind it come from. She got two. I say, oh my God. Yeah. Sleeping with the robot them. Like them real woman and so in love with them. Married to man talk about the well the reason why I love her. And because, you know, in program what you want her to do and she not go cheat and all them something there and all them something. It's stupidness. So that's why I love it, because it not go cheat. You can program it to any way you want. And some of them better than human in a bed and all them something there. Come on. That's pretty crazy. Crazy that you put your mind that kind of way, you know what I mean? You put your mind, you just live as a person who you're gonna die and you're gonna have to move on, and that's all you think about. If you take your millions of dollars God bless you with, if you take and help somebody else to buy like a dead freaking bed body in your house where you sleep with. Come on. That's not a real person. All this stuff them hook up and all this thing for talk and tea. It's like you yourself is crazy to friggin' find that shit attractive and want to be with it and in love with it. I think you're suffering from a mental issue or a problem. Someone talk about me, I suffer from mental thing and me mad and this and that. I'm not give a rat sauce one who want taxi. I don't. You see this right so? I wonder where this will come from, the shadow of this or from this. Yeah. Is it? It's the whole thing for the thing tie. The seat and that's a dump in the banana, I look sit back and come on my head. At the thing this. Yeah. So I try to tell you, man. I'm a fat up on my head when I'm dress them. On my head. I'm a dress. I'm more dress to people and so they look like Africans so they could understand what I'm saying. Sleeping with a robot, them and sitting them. That's what the world gone to. They've looked at them up and the black magic. All kind of water carrying the backline and all kind of demonic shit them are the one people stand up and watch. You don't finger with people and stop and play with them when they see them do shit like that. And I take card out of them and I put hard and I play with demons with you, I take out your teeth, I put it back and all them something there. You know what I mean? They don't one used to do it when he used to name and Chris something and him used to do it a lot. When you go in the water for much diesel on 42nd Street for holding bread. How much diesel on the water and all them shit there. You know what I mean? Can't play with demons like that in our umbrella. I tell you straight. Can't play with demons like that straight. You must really not have a soul to take up your money and waste like that. There's so much things in the world you can do with your money. You still have to do something like that. You have a beautiful wife and you still have to go out there and pick up one dolly and bring it to the house and sleep with. That's crazy. To me, that's mankind gone too far now. I'm sorry. Better things to do in their life. Them all kind of garbage them do and them put it on TV. They have one they call her Sophia. Sophia, I think she named Sophia. She next robot. Smart and rotted. You know, she there all over till she all get citizenship of Saudi Arabia. She get all citizenship. You understand me? Other people there can't get citizenship, but she can come here and get citizenship and go Saudi Arabia where she want to go and get citizenship. And she's a robot. People won't know see what me I talk about. Trust me. Things that this world define me, you know. Can realize everything is really coming like a joke to blow out. You have to take all this time to make all Sophia. You know? And she very bright, you know, and feisty. People hear me talk would not know me talk about unless them actually look upon it and see what me talk about. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, that's crazy, yo. Yes, and that's enough of them post up, say them take card, but them and demand cash when them done. Them think them slick. What going on here? Cause I know so open and so this go over here, so I know so I take card, I take cash, I take everything over here, so I don't know what this argument take card. What are you talking about, Goody? You talk about the braiding place? Okay, over here, so I take cash, I take card, I take everything over here, so. Yeah, we take everything over here, so. We don't demand cash, we take cards, anything we get, we don't demand nothing over here, so. So I don't know if you talk about what you talk about. The breading shop, I don't know. I am fine, my dear, thank you, so how are you? I'm fine, my dear. Ozzy, I'm fine. Yes, Ashley, I'm fine. I'm great. Thank God you can see that. I'm actually great. And you know, we had in the UK, I cooked dumpling and ackee this morning and banana. Bedtime now. Go on your bed now, Samuel. No, you don't have to stay with me. Go on your bed, girl. I never asked you to stay up with me, please, girl. I'm not lonely like that. Once you want to your bed, galang on your bed, girl. Me a superstar, galang. When nobody depend you or not, me can chat and still get pay feet. Galang on your bed. No stay up with me if you make me pay check, baby. Go on your bed. Now tell me say you're tired, you really want to stay up with me. Don't stay up with me, galang your bed. If you're tired, time for you to go to your bed, girl. Shut up and go sleep. Don't blame me for your tiredness. Galang on your bed. I love all of y'all. God bless you. You're going to find people come in here and talk all kind of lie and try to put themselves in the spotlight. But big old girl, me find out you run off your mouth and I tell lie upon me burn you. Make you go find somebody go dump your big hole and commit suicide in your whole big crutches. Yeah, who ain't got in bed? Go on the bed. I'm not begging for come stay up and sleep. Go on the bed, please. No, my body can't be seen. Love you too, goody. God bless you. Yes, go to bed. God bless you. Tiba, big up yourself, Tiba. Big up yourself. Hello, big up yourself. Love you too. God bless you. Taya, big up yourself. No, I'm not call people for unless somebody want cream or something, I call them. Oh, big up yourself. Yeah, you're always talking the thing. That's why I watch you. I've been watching you for years. God bless you too, Alex. Alexander Lee. Big up yourself. God bless you. 3 years now. Yeah, God bless you. Wow, you've been with me a long time. Oma, big up yourself. I love you too. God bless you. Oh, since a rat bite me. And so long you watch me. No, I'm in my bed. I'm not come on tonight, man. But when I look and see them cut off the little girl here, I get pissed off, you know. And I just say, you know what, I not wait till morning to talk about this. I'm going to talk about it now because I vex. The woman cut off the little girl. You know, must stop them. Them now breed people here good and going. Them breed other people here better and real good. Because you know the people now put up with them slackness. They're not going to put up with them slackness, you know, so they make sure them breed good. Them own African. But when they got other people come and breed them here, then we give you like bitch you up anything and just shoot through the door. And you complain, they might go and not understand nothing what you say. You know, you tell her this and tell her that, and so tell her this and I tell her that, tell her all kind of nonsense. And at the end of the day, in charge your arm and a leg, you're not look good. They use human ear to fall out by the next day when they braid it. And tell us, wait when you go to the shower, that's why it fall out. So I'm just saying it's just ridiculous, you know. That's why people not spend time like that. People just buy braiding wig and then ear not fall out no more and treat them ear and then put on braiding wig. The lace front them cause no braiding can get very common. I go up online and say I can search, I can get some different kind of braiding wig for myself. And yeah, the flat braiding one, them and all different one. People do different thing now, cause you know the sweetest thing the end of the day though. I love my ear done, you know. But you know the sweetest thing, and that's why most people buy Indian ear. You see the girl must buy Indian ear, can't blame them why they start buy a lot of Indian ear now. You know why? A lot of people used to get braid back in the days. But the reason why they get tired for when they go for sit down so long for braid so long. And then in a couple of weeks if they take it out and put a braid. So then put the weave. Where it grow out, some people keep it a long time till it grow out. You understand? And the edge is tight when they get braid. Sometimes it's so tight. You go through all that pain and all that tightness, you look so pretty. And spend all that money and sometimes you're not done good, it really hurt your feelings. It really hurt your feelings. Trust me, because last time I got to Alum, I was hurt. So nobody don't want to sit down and go through all that no more. People mostly like quick to buy a braiding wig. And if they feel like a braiding style, just put on the braiding wig. Lace front. And when they get tired, then take it off. You got your bed, the sweetest thing to me. Why I mean I like having a weave or nothing on my head. I'm going to tell you the truth. When I'm ready for go sleep, I can't sleep on with no lashes for my eye. There's going to be lashes I can't take off. I can't put in the lash and stay in. Like some people want to go in between the lash and keep it and go bed with it, wake up. I can't do that. My eyes swell big and ton. I can't do that. I can't sleep and put the braids on my head. Because it bother me. I get my hair braid and anything twist. For the whole time, if I hold the whole night, I sleep, if I toss and turn. I put the pillow certain way on my head. Certain if I push on the braids that bother me the root of my head and all them something there. The sweetest thing to me is when I can take off that ear and wash my natural ear and go on my bed go sleep. And the sweetest feeling that. And that is something I don't want to give up. So I rather put on wigs. You know how much wigs I have? Probably hundreds by now. The amount of wigs I have. I have wigs in and even want me to pack up. Let's up here wig up and then want me in a pack. I'm not short a wig. So one boy come and say, come talk about him, we give me a braid wig, a lace front wig like me tell him. So why you me not short a wig? Not sorry for me with the wig, me don't want it. Don't sorry me for the wig, me don't want it, because me not short a wig. You know what I mean? Come tell me, see you give me a like say me know, I'm sorry for me, I'm a wig. What else me do to the wig, they want to sit me do because I want to do it. Me not short a wig. Everybody knows I live it, not short a wig. Oh, from the ring video there. Oh, yeah, when they get the piercing. A long time that, yeah. Claudia Price. Yeah, man, goody. Sometimes you have to get out some parasites, you know. Sometimes they come out late at night like bed bugs, you still have to get them. You know, when people are coming for your shit and they don't speak English, you don't know what they're saying. But now I come spread off by my shit. So I block a lot of you, go along. So now I bring nothing positive, no bother with it. You waste 120 in Brooklyn the last time. Yeah. Lataya. Burnett. Lataya Burnett. Sit up on my head. Feel like me get the cream in my eye now. I feel like me get the cream in my eye. Feel like with Burnett we get the cream tonight. Yeah. 120 the last time in Brooklyn. Pull them out a week. And end up from the road. You see me try to tell you? You saw me try to tell you? You saw me try to tell you good, you don't like me I tell? They do the same thing in London, them fuckers. I tell you. Yo, I know we're late for this, you know what. Tomorrow me talk to no man. Sure. But yeah, you see everywhere them go and do this shit. Because them feel the American people don't know. Rob your vex? Black Rob gone. In vex and gone, it look like. Anyway, good night. Yes. Sleep good too. Yeah, so what I say to you, goodie, everyone them do this thing. You know, they can breathe the ear better and they can breathe the ear properly. But the whole point why they're not doing it, they don't want to spend the time to do your ear because they want to get as much money they can get when they come out. So then bitch up your ear real fast and take the next person, take the next person, and take the next person. Sometimes they have the girl inside a braid shop to when the girl give them braid good, but they want them for work. You know, because they have a lot of customers and they don't want to lose no money. You see me, sometimes one and two of them can braid good. And when they get them, when they do braid their ear good, you give them good tip. And you try to friend with them and nice with them because you want to get the same ear do again. You're not supposed to kiss nobody else like that. We black people have a tendency of kissing these Chinese people who ask for doing nails and give them more tip. You know, after they done charge so much already, and we go to the Africans and we do the same thing. And braid with ear, we give them more tip. And something your ear never done right. It's $100, $200 in a week. In 2 weeks, if you take out that shit, go buy a braiding wig. $69, $70, some $50 someplace. You know what I mean? And buy them, or buy at least half dozen wholesale in a different style and keep them put per head. Take out your wash out in the night time. Especially if you have your husband or your boyfriend. If you're in a new relationship, I would advise you, don't put no weave in your ear. When you're in a new relationship, you don't go to weave with your boyfriend in your bed. In your new relationship with weave in your head. You understand me? When you're in a new relationship, you're in you want to put your weave, you take off that. Because a romantic feeling come from when a man can run him finger to your head. Vinci boy used to like to play in a man natty head. Me have a shot like this and natty in like to play in 80 degree and man sitting. A man like to rub his hand to a woman natural ear. You know what I mean? So nobody in a relationship and soap this whole sitting in your head. And you have ear for your head. And if you make love to the man, your man can't run his hand to your head. It's whole sitting tuck up in your head top. Take it off and beard and wash out your ear. You know, so you know husband running onto your ear and can massage all the scalp and, you know, you just make love and you feel good, but you can't, with whole sitting soap in your head, your finger can't go through it, you don't want nobody touch your head. You're losing a part of your love of your relationship. You see me? And that's a true thing I can tell you. It's good when you can take them stuff out your natural ear. When you go in bed with your man or your husband or whatever, you be able to come out of the shower, watch your natural ear smell good and sweet shampoo and sitting. You know, I'm not in your ear. When you make love, you feel good. Man can rub your hand to your head. And all them sitting there. It's whole person sitting tap in your head. Tap in your head like you have planted yam in your head. Like whisker grow to your head. Yeah, like a tree, you grow to your head, tree stump, all both in your head, all kind of sit in your head. You will take them out at the end of the day. And go to your bed, go sleep peacefully. Or get no cancer on top of your brain. It's whole person sitting tuck up in your brain and give you cancer in your freaking head. Make your brain. The brain is delicate, man. The brain is very soft inside there, so. You start to take care of your head, your brain. Start worry about your damn brain, man. Yeah. I have my personal hairdresser. They do the same thing here in London. Stand outside the hair shop. What the rest is this? Damn goodie. Stand outside the hair shop. Walk past outside. Tell them to piss off. Piss off. I like. It's like cattle market shit. That's much of the money. Some brought down shop, yeah. And the one like the one of their Bronx, yeah, the bathroom dirty. Because the bathroom well and people me I said, no, so much woman can't work in here so goody. Yeah, goody me see it. So much woman can't work in here so. And it goody say come like cattle, the whole part of them hang out outside, yeah. Like when they run up of sheep and goat them out, what for them go out. Goody say it like, yeah. Yo, that shit is funny. Yeah. Because the shop at 125th Street at the same thing, whole put them up in there like cattle. Could he? Yeah, I can't wait tonight. We use the heard them more. Yeah, they fuck up in the shop like cattle, man. I'm telling you. John was star. I'm loving him, man. Yeah, Jamaicans. Jamaicans are great, man. Jamaicans are great, me tell you, say. Throat dry. Throat don't get dry so often, you know. So let's kick out berry not too long. Yeah. Cold and cleanse, we can drink a lot of water. I get the taste like bitter. Yeah, but good for you. Yeah, good morning, my love. Yeah, man, I like cattles, man. No disrespect, man. I like some man. But because I eat them, I eat them, but it's just a fact that you gotta do better than that. You all gotta start doing better than that. You can't. Like, people are getting wise up and people are getting smart. And nowadays, when you go on YouTube, you can learn to do everything. So right now, all them little girls didn't take time to braid no little sister here. I mean, it's easy. You get the braid 190, then you braid the little sister here, home in the house doing nothing. Braid the little sister here. When stop running up and down behind friends, try to braid your little sister here. Your little sister braid back year a year. You don't stop wasting money. I'm telling you. Something that's not even gonna last. Foolishness. I mean, I can't bother with it. I can't braid like that and braid my own. Can you see me braid my own ear all the time? I want to see me do it. Every braid and every hairstyle is in my ear, I may do them. I want to see my ear. I may do them. Every braid. I see me do fine braid and take time and braid my own entire ear long. The whole thing long. I want to see me do that already, right? So I can braid. But I don't put that on my ear because I don't feel comfortable. Even when I braid it for myself, I don't feel comfortable in my ear. Because I can't sleep the way I want and feel good. That's why I don't want it in my ear. I just put on it and take it off. Yeah, man. Yeah, I go now. I go now. I sleep already and now wake up. I did not have my belly full and I don't contact on and me eat my belly full and I lash them stick on for me and I sit and I fall asleep on the bed and I sit and I'm going to take off the lash them because I know that eye are kind of sensitive already when I sit and I try to my eye and steam it with hot water and something. So, and then I go beard. Yeah, I wash off the makeup and something because I don't talk to you. So I don't want to makeup and something and then after I wash it off and then I go beard. I say I got to beard and done because, you know, I'm not going to sleep now. My beard and it was, you know, when I lay down, I get up my beard and just beard me feel like beard my beard. Because time hot. That's summertime. Water, today water not mine, water not expensive. Good morning, UK. I love you. God bless Trinidad, Guyana, Grenada, Jamaica, my hometown. Yeah, Jamaican girl can braid. I got Jamaica already and I right at Kingston. I get me here braid. The best braid I ever get in my life. I right at Kingston, Jamaica. The best braid for the best price. Yo, them can braid. I want to do nails, they can do nails good too. Yo, I tell you, man, you know, I'm telling you, man. Trust me. Robert is sweeter. Yeah, laugh now. What you do to me? Yeah, laugh now, right? Alright. Alright, man. Lady Taylor. Lady Auntie Taylor. Yeah, I go to bed now. I'm going to go on bed. Because I don't want to go on bed. Go on bed. I'm not sleeping. I sleep early. Good morning. Blackberry out not too long. Berry coming here and she go on the part of the bed and she want she hear up my bed and sitting. And I move the sheet and pull up it to the bottom sheet and spread the one here. She lie down there. Then she get up, then she come back and want to come up here. So I pillow and something I lay down pan and I tell her no. She getting mad, so I move all my pillow and if spread and everything, make she take the spot she want. She take the spot she want and she start to complain. And complain and I tell her no, I try to right head and she take her paw and try to box me. And the minute she try to box me with her paw, I do nothing wrong after me going through all that to please her. I tell her get the heck out and she run out and then what me do and she gone. That's what happened to me and her. Yeah, that's why she fight me sometimes. You know, lately she gets so mad, you know. She just mad all the time. She come and she's like, Ma, and she beat on the door, I'm open the door and I let her in. I was like, Berry, you know. And she come inside, she come on the bed, you know, Mama. And, you know, I don't want to kick her off, you know, because I know how she be. I let her lie down. She lie down. When she lie down now, she spread out. And spread out herself big. And then she looking at me. And then I say, hi, Berry, how you doing? And so on. And try to stretch my hand over, touch her head. She go, ma! Before me even touch her. So I pull back my hand. You know? And I was like, Berry, you alright? You know? Why be like this, mama? And try to rub her forehead and try to touch her. Bam! Try to take her palm box me. And that's the time, you know? Sometimes I just did it and just the next time I not touch her then. She still a complain. I complain. So I say, what do you want? I want she want to attack me. I say, get the hell out of my room. You know, when you come on my bed, come bad me up and box me up with a paw and do as you like for me. Every time she do that, you know what she want now? She want, she fucking crazy. You know what she want now, goody? Wicked. Abuse me. You know what she want, goody? Every time we go up on the road, right? You know, Jay will buy a whole heap of food for her back, you know. And she have dry food too. And I go, every time we go outside, every time I say, all right, Berry, when we go outside, I buy one extra patty for you. One patty what she like a chicken patty we come out, you know, for cat, you know, they can. So Berry, I get the packet for you, right, you know. And she do her head like this, you know. Then and she look and so, you know. Yeah. The same time I go road and come back, she sit down right by the window and look through the whole away from me to come back. So make time I come and come in and put on the bag. If none in the bag and she look and I forget to buy the stuff and I go outside, she look and she look for me real nasty like when a person have bad eye look at you like, yeah, like a real when a person put you bad eyes like this cat is giving me bad eye like a person. I mean, how can you know? I take you out the cold, you were so small. Now you have so much sense. I show them damn cat is programmed a human being, them cat skin, man. I'm telling you. So, you know, she walk out. I don't, you know, so she wait, you know. Sometimes she weird, she do and she come around and she look and she put her tail up and, you know, like she say you didn't get the stuff, you know, and some Sarah Berry, relax. And I'll go get it for you later on somehow, you know, and I will go back out and get it. No problem. She come inside, she lie down, she quiet, she go bed. Now, today, I told her, I said, Berry, whenever I go outside, I'm going to get you, you know, some of the extra party again today. I never been outside to go get her any, I forget. So she come in here tonight and decide that she want to come and dig down the door when I'm sleeping, let her in, and she come inside to come and fight with me over the party car, I never buy it. So that is what happened with Berry. Long as she could get them patties extra, fine. Yeah, so that's what's going on. I'm going now, guys. Good night. Love you. Start stretch, I go back on my bed now. Oh, God. None of define me. I'm alright. I love God and I love people, and that's what really matters. Yeah, sometimes when I'm eating, I have to make her eat too, because she's looking at me like, why you eating again and I'm not eating again, you know. She look at me like, Ma, you eating again, why can't I eat again? So sometimes I was like, let me make she eat again, because me I eat again. I mean, you know, I'm greedy now, I shouldn't be eating again. So let the poor cat eat again too, because both of us was like, sometimes when I'm making a lot of sale, like a lot of money coming in, I'm making a lot of sale in the cream. You know, and Berry jumping around me, because she like, I said, Berry, I know you're happy because more money, more food, right? And so on. So she's like, you know, we do sale. So when she see me eating more because I make sale, she expect that she gonna get more too, because, you know, she's a star. She's, you know, she's making sales. So I'll make sure she get it. So when she don't get it, that's the treatment I got, you know. I mean, I didn't get it today. That's all. Yeah, good night. I love you too, sweetie. I love you guys. Tomorrow we talk, okay? I love you. Yeah, bye. Yeah.